what are you guys doing? What are you doing? So if anyone facing any difficulties, just let me know. If you are done, we can continue. Try to fill it one more again. Adding questions. Take 4 inputs, test ID, and the question type and marks. Okay. Try creating this. sitefix.com. Romis I did not buy.
Romis for the backend developer, right?
Not like that. It's a product of mine. Sitefix.com I bought when the company was incorporated. Okay. That I bought. I did not buy Romis thing. Once you buy one domain name, you can put anything in front of it. I can even write manaf.sitefix.com. Okay. Just we have to buy romis.com. We should buy. Can you check the price of
Go ahead.
yeah. It's too costly. I will go with the romis.in. .net. .com will be costly. Like romis.com. Only 99, around 1000 it will come once you check it out.
First 99 from next to 81,000.
The card. But this price will keep on changing. See, .com is too costly.
We open that e-commerce website once while Shopify and all. That time we buy .in only, but that was cheaper.
So, I mean, anything works, but when you have .com, it's like,
Feel secure.
everyone feels like legit. It's like a bundle. If you for 600, you get 4 domains. What is it? Random things. You can end with anything. See, romis.tv is there. Price varies. You check romis.ai. Since AI is booming right now, it will be too costly. Right? Anything with AI will be costly. So yeah, price keeps changing. For example, if this name comes in the news, for example, automatically it's like that. Did you see that Virat Kohli's son when he born, he named Akai. So Akai domain got. So
What does it mean, sir?
No,
but what it does it mean?
Rome मतलब घूमो, easily घूमो.
Need to. Sir, my house 3 crore. 3 crore.
So that means currently Hush.com website is not there. Not exist, not doesn't exist. You can check Hush.com. Nothing will come. Then
Somebody
you have to pay 3 crore to him.
This guy.
To that guy. He owns it.
Every year.
Every year price changes. Yeah, every year. You know, ChatGPT bought a domain chat.com, just chat.com. You search chat.com, it will go to ChatGPT. So they gave so many crores, man. Some random guy was owning this. So they bought that chat.com. So that internal redirecting will happen inside this.
Same thing was okay with Hotstar. Marketing भी रहेगा now C.in भी रहेगा
If you want me to explain any concept, let me know.
It was single time buy. It's a single time buy. One time buy.
It doesn't exist means if someone has purchased already.
Nobody have to. No one buy it.
Then that name will be here.
But have to pay yearly.
Yeah. These are all like nobody bought this. You can buy this. You have to pay it here. Okay, one more small thing. Listen here. One small thing I will show in the Postman. Guys, listen here. Yeah, we get when we hit this API, login API or register API, we get the tokens, right? Listen here. Listen. So when I hit this, we get the output, right? For example, we get refresh token, access token. Every time this will expire after 20 minutes, right? Every time we have to copy paste. In all the API, we have to copy this and paste it. Instead of that, Postman has one feature. For example, if this API want the endpoint, we can create a variable here. Okay, just give it like this: 2 curly braces open, 2 curly braces close. Then give one random name, giving token. If you hover this, you get to add the value. Okay. From now onwards, you can just use this token wherever you want to use it. You can go to this another API, and in the headers, you just have to. You don't have to paste the token. You just write the name. That's it. Okay. That's how you can access it. When you add this API, when you add this token, you have to select this. Add to what? Better you add it globally. Okay. When you add it globally, you can access it here. Okay. One small feature. This might save your time.
Sir, if we have
Everything. Keep everything. Keep everything in a good collection. Okay. Don't keep it unsaved.
if access token will change
to do that, if you don't even want to copy paste things, you can do one thing. When you hit this button, you can write the script here, the post response. Here you can write, you will get one response. From that, pick the access token and save it in the variable. That 2-line code you can paste it there. So automatically when you hit this API, new access token will be replaced there in that variable. So that is what this script means. other things. I sent one list in the WhatsApp. You must create all those API. Okay? Guys, hold on for a few minutes. I will explain one concept. How many methods do you guys know? API methods? Huh? Yeah? Get, post, and
delete,
delete.
create,
What else? Patch. Put, patch. Put. Okay.
options.
Option we don't use. Wait, this is enough. As of now, you might be knowing this too because you created the API. Get means we don't pass anything in the request body, right? This is request body. We don't have to pass anything. We give something to backend. I mean, we take from the backend. We take from backend. That is get, taking it. We don't give anything. Post, we give. We give to backend. Most of the time when you do the post method, a new row will be created in the database, okay? New things will be created. That's why we use post most of the time. When we use post method, we pass the data in the body. We pass data in body. Okay. Then delete. By the name only it says, if you want to delete any row in the database, we usually use this method. Okay. For this, we can give data in body. We can give data in body. Not mandatory. We can. It's not like we can't. We can give, but it's not mandatory. Without passing the body also, we can delete the data just by in the API endpoint. We just have to mention the ID of that thing. For example, if I want to delete the question, let me create one more request. Giving the name delete question. Let the endpoint be API/delete question. Okay, this will be the endpoint typically, but if we don't pass anything in the body to delete, I just have to select delete method. Okay, now the backend won't be knowing what should I delete, right? Either we have to pass the things in the body. Let me delete it. I don't want any of this. Okay, either I have to pass the ID here, ID 10, something like that. 10th question will be deleted. This is one of the method. Another method is, mostly people won't use this. Another one is passing the ID here. This you can take. Okay, this value 10 you can take and delete it. Okay, so that's how we use delete method. We can give the data in body, but it's not mandatory. We can give in the endpoint only. Okay, and what else? Before I explain patch, I'll explain put. When I say put, usually we edit the data, right? We edit data. For example, in Instagram you already have a profile. That means that data already exists. Now you want to edit it. For example, you want to change your bio. Bio already given. Now you want to change it. At that time, we don't use post method. Okay, just because we give something in the body, we don't use post method. That data is already there in the DB, already there. So we use put method. When I use put method, what we should do is in the bio. For example, in the profile table, so many things will be there. For simplification, I am taking first name, last name, username, and bio. Okay, all these are mandatory fields. Listen carefully. This will be the key difference between put and patch. That's what I am saying. For example, if this for this API to edit the profile, for that API, all these fields are mandatory. Then when you use put method, first you should get the data. Before you use put method, you have to get the data. When you get it, you get the what is the correct first name, what is the correct last name, what is the correct username, what is the correct bio. In that you will make the changes. Everything will be as it is. Only bio we gonna change something. Okay. Along with you did not touch this, didn't touch this, didn't touch this. Still you have to pass it. That's what the put method is. Okay. Profile already exists. You get it first. You get everything. In that, whatever you want to touch, you can touch it. If you just touching bio, it's not like you have to pass only bio. Whatever the mandatory fields, everything you should pass. Okay, that is put method. You pass it everything, then bio will get updated. That is put method. But this doesn't seem quite good approach. I mean, if I am not editing all these things, well, then why do I have to pass it every time? Right? That's why we have a patch method. Usually use we put method when we are doing the bulk edit. If you are editing so many things at a time, then put method is okay. But editing only just one field, I don't need this. This simply it's giving headache. I have to pass everything, right? So there I use patch method, I just have to pass only what I am editing. Bio means only bio in the body I have to give. Only bio I have to give, nothing else. This is the main difference between put and patch. Mostly you will ask in the interview. Listen carefully. Input, we have to get everything first. You can edit it all, you can edit one, doesn't matter. If you are using put method, all the mandatory fields you have to pass. Okay? That is put method. But if you are just editing one or two fields, you are just editing just your first name, then you don't have to bring everything and edit everything. Just use patch method. Whatever you are editing, if you are editing only bio or first name, just pass it, that's it. Just pass one field. So that's why we use patch method. Is it clear? In our test project, where we use, I will tell you where are we gonna use these methods. Okay, delete method. If you want to delete one user, for example, if a teacher want to delete a student, then he can do it. There we can use delete method. This we use. Delete method we can use for deleting the user. And for patch, in the test table, we filled everything except is published or not, we did not touch it, right? Once the teacher enters all the questions, then he can update it. He can make is published equals to true, right? There he don't have to use the put method. He can use just patch method. Just pass is published equals to true. That's it. Don't have to pass everything. There you can use, if he is just touching one field to modify, then patch is better. Okay. There we use patch. And put method, if you want to update any question, if you want to change the marks, change the question, or give the what else do we have in the question? The question type, MCQ or text. If you want to change many things, then there you can use put. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Every API will be almost following the same structure only. Just get the data, pass it into the serializer. With the serializer, give which table it is connected with, give whatever fields are involved there. Then the data will come translated and validated. Just check whether it is validated. Just use the function is valid. Then if it is valid, process it, save it, serializer.save. Then give the response to the front end. Okay, everything saved successfully. That's it. All the API follows the same structure. You keep on doing, it will become so easier for you. The only way is just practice, that's it. You should clearly know the difference between all these 5 methods, very important.
Right, we can try. Just only you require to run a local server.
To run
Local server.
what server?
It's not required to run DRIV administration.
Uh,
To run this,
to run this.
yeah.
To run this
Don't
local
require that.
that is deployed in AWS.
That's cloud server.
Sorry?
That runs cloud server.
It's running in cloud server. So whenever we push to main now, automatically code will be reflected here. So currently in this main branch is there. Okay. So if you have extra code in your branch, that won't be here. So you can't expect that here.
So if I make any changes, how it will be?
Merge, raise here.
Then
Then
I
I
can't
will-
check the changes here.
Changes locally, it's in your code. So this is main branch, it's there here. Are you interested in cloud also?
Yes, sir.
Cloud.
Not much.
Knowledge we don't have that much, but general knowledge.
I mean, are you guys interested? I mean, few people are only interested in developing. That's why I'm asking. Are you guys interested in deployment also?
Which kind of
In AWS.
that is yeah, little bit I have knowledge, but if I go deeply, then only
So you guys are interested or not?
I'm currently trying.
Huh?
Currently planning to,
Yes, sir.
but right now I'm doing engineering.
Okay. I mean, if you are interested, just let me know. I will explain how our system is deployed.
Oh, can I ask you?
Just tell me.
But general knowledge at least.
Yeah, at least you should know the flow. It's
Yeah.
not like, I'm not saying get into DevOps. You should know how your code is working in the production.
But that happens.
At least flow you should know.
For me to get banking work and
Maybe, but then
complete work.
ये वाला
ये तो इसका है पोस्ट करने वाली वीडियो यस
Topic.
Topic.
Topic. No, just presentation.
Okay. Then we have project also something.
This only you can consider.
Currently, we are doing project, right?
Yeah, this was I actually planned first. Then I thought we'll do this one.
So
Test
right
one.
now we are doing project only, right?
We are doing project.
This Friday is the last day.
No. Maybe it will go till next Friday.
Next.
This Friday, test is there.
Yeah.
What's the date today?
Today is 15. We started at 11.
Yeah, it will go till next Friday.
Because next
After
week.
that, they have sent some feedback. The resume ready. I should go to this one. Resume review and should take mock interview.
Yeah, mock test and interview have to take.
Mock interview.
Yeah. You have to take 50% mock test
Yeah.
interview and you have to give how much you perform from
Yeah.
10 to 9 or 10 to 10 rating.
Okay, 1 to 10 rating.
1 to 10, sorry. 1 to 10 rating.
Okay. Think from next Monday we'll do things parallelly. Parallelly means class will be there and during class only I will take the preparation. on messaging. I'll send you his number. I went to that group. I don't have permission to add. Okay. So you message him, add me to add me to
If you only
Like the
inform
comment.
newsletters, you will only inform you that add in
Not that much, we don't have that much touch. Just still add me to event group.
event.
I will send you his number. They will add, I mean, too many people are there. I'll send one more number. You don't have group, just message him personally. If there is an event, just let me know. I'll send this number. What event group? It's add me event group.
Event.
Event. Message him also. Message him also. Tell that if there are events, just let me know. His name is Jack. Hi Jack, please let me know if there is an event. If there is any event, please.
Actually, they have added impact players.
I mean, I saw the music.
Oh, that's why maybe.
But still, bro, they are so one more thing, sir. Did you do any hackathon in your college life?
College level,
That hackathon that day.
college level hackathon keep on happening, man. Our college yearly twice happens.
college level or any?
It's a national hackathon. Any college holds that job. Thing is, in your college, every college will send the invitation to every college. They are not forwarding to you.
Not college.
Like you from local reservation. Tijon,
Yeah.
Yeah, those colleges.
Our college is also in that category.
Yeah,
Yes, I
now,
know that college.
nowadays, fest is going on in all the colleges.
Summer.
All the college fest is going on. All college fest is done already. So, hackathon will be there. You have to attend.
Yeah, in our college also we had a hackathon.
Last year.
Yeah.
Try attending. Win or lose. मजा तो आएगा.
Okay, sir. करना है वही समझ नहीं आता.
मतलब you should get invitation from your college only. Otherwise, you should be active in all the college Insta pages.
Yeah,
Here you
yeah.
have to be active. No other option. There is one platform. Just search. Just search.
Hack for the word for hack. Hack for skill.
Just check hack for skill. There everyone posts.
Yes, sir. I have it.
Blue color URL.
Here I have it. From NASA, ISRO, इतने पार्टिसिपेट किया बस मैं ये सब किया मुझे ये किया मोबाइल शिक्षा किया
In unstop will get unstop.
Stop.
Stop says course also.
Course I don't know.
Certification.
I don't know.
I did a one certification. अभी तक सारे पी लेवल के कोर्स हैं एग्जाम सब ऐसे पेपर है उसके लिए हाँ फाइव आया है बट मेरा मिस हो get your resume?
Devfolio. Check Devfolio.
Devfolio.
Check Devfolio. Is it a website? There was a website. Hack to skill only. Hack to skill only. There you get so many algorithms. And unstoppable. What is Devfolio? What is Devfolio?
Devfolio is a website creation.
Devfolio. So when college organizers, they post in these websites. So you have to keep on checking it. Do you have a good team? One front end guy should be there, one back end, one design guy, one DevOps guy. 4 people is there. Like you are doing AI project, AI guy should be there. Do you know anyone who is good at design, UI design?
Already below starting point. I was saying that I applied for the company, but resume is also
Tomorrow, resume building session is there. My name is this. Who is asking? Jack or? Jack. My name is this. Abdul Manaf.
contact.
He used to call me many times. I couldn't go on.
Jackpot. I'm saving his name as Jackpot.
Guys, listen here. Finish all the APIs. Tomorrow, one small concept is pending in Django. Basically, if we have so many questions to upload, it's not ideal way to add one question, hit the button, add one question, hit the button. That's not a good way to add multiple questions. For example, one test will be having 30-40 questions, right? Ideal way is how all the software has is upload on CSV file. In that CSV file, first column ID, second column question, third column question, type, MCQ or text, and the marks. Okay, that you have to pass it in the Postman. Then how to take that kind of file in the Django, then how to process it. That we will learn tomorrow in the first half. Then in the second half, resume building session is there. Let me see few samples and let me comment on it, and we'll see how to prepare a resume properly. And Friday test is there. Okay. Then from Monday onwards, regular class will be there. During class only I will be taking the mock interview also. Okay. So try to finish this API, complete everything, make mistake, learn from it. Okay. If you get any doubts, just call me.